on my fiance's build. I got some parts. No reason to do the unboxing for them because they're the exact same parts I have in my Cosmos S build. Alright, I'll try to do it so you guys can see it. Alright, let's CZ 1600 megahertz, 824 latency RAM, Western Digital Caviar Black Edition, 500 gigs, and then the light-on DVD player. It's like, that was 20 bucks. This was 69 bucks. This was like 140 or something, but there's a mail-in rebate. Alright, now that's done, I'm basically gonna do the proper planning of what you should do when you're getting a computer, building a computer and all that stuff. Like, for example, I put the parts that I already have. I'm not gonna say it because you can visually see it in my other videos what I have. But parts what I need for like water cooling, I still need pump top, tubing, fan controller, fans, res, distilled water still, mod tools. I need a Dremel and a crimper, and the reason I want to get a crimper is because you see these things right here? I hate these damn things. But see all these Molex crap? I'm going to use that Sunbeam mod tool that I got. Take these off, and then I'm going to hook up a 3-pin Molex connector to it and connect it to a fan controller. And I'm basically going to have this fan here and the front fan, and they're basically, I'm going to splice them up and wire them up together so I don't have any of those. But also plans, like draw what plans you want to do. Go online, use Google, go on overclock.net, type in like NZXT Tempest. Guess what? There's a whole community geared towards this case, and you can see ideas what to do. For example, top left hand corner right here, you'll make a hole for your 8-pin PSU so it's not going to be blocking a whole bunch of stuff. And for me, I'm going to do that. Then I'm going to put a center right here. I don't know if you can see that, but in the center I'm going to route the fan wires all the way back through there, behind the motherboard, through the hole that I made on the drive bay, and route it up to the fan controller. Alright, put the holes for the pump, and then, as I already said, fix the thunder blades, get rubber edge molding, grommets, make holes for SATA cables maybe, and then I even drew a diagram where all the holes are going to be. And then you go down, I put the layout of the water cooling that I might want to have. And then finally, I have the layout of the wiring that I want to have. I was very bored, and I want to make sure I'm doing this right. And then for here, for the fan controller, I'm getting a 5-channel Lamptron, and I labeled each channel what fan's going to be attached to it. And then for lighting, just some ideas, like put some cold cathode UV lights on the window, or just the case, or the case and the window, because keep in mind, I want to keep this case to have like the green theme. Fiance wants was it acid green, so that's what I'm going to do. So I'm trying to figure out where should I situate the lights, whatever. Probably said that wrong, but where to put it. But I think that's about it. Still got a lot more parts to go. A lot more. Probably do it next paycheck, hopefully, and all that good stuff. I'm just glad to say, hey, I finally got an update and got a job working security. Getting $11.60 an hour, so I can't complain. So if you guys have any comments, rate this video, ask me a question. I guess that's it, and have a good day.